Let us spill this already spilled truth and get into some entertainment news. Now, this is a bittersweet for everyone, right, who has watched the show. Now, Hopolo reports Cantona James, sorry you didn't get a SAFTA's 18 nomination. That was a powerful performance and be proud of it because we are also proud of it. That is now me adding spice. A lot of people cried and cheered watching you as Ethan. Damien, please, please, Damien. Man, that line still haunts me today. You were amazing on Spinner's Showmax Season 1. These are your flowers, King. Receive them. Guys, a lot of people wanted him to get something. Even the comments was like, no, 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 no. Like, it's a nominee, even if it's a nominee, but some other people are blaming the production for not submitting, and Hopolo responded that was submitted, and however, as an individual he was not nominated as one of the best actors. But yeah, hard and fana, you lose some, you win some. Please do like, share and subscribe.